Imagine writing a message, not with ink, but with your own unique biological signature. A message that doesn't just say who you are, but how you're feeling, what you've eaten, and when you were last here. This isn't a hypothetical. For the spotted hyena, it's a daily reality. They communicate using a substance often called hyena butter, a pungent paste secreted from glands located near the tail. When a hyena performs a behavior called pasting, it's not just marking a spot, it's uploading a data packet to a shared open-source server made of grass, rocks, and earth. Every blade of grass becomes a potential server, holding information that can persist for weeks. But here is where it gets strange. The hyena isn't the sole author of its message. The complex olfactory information isn't primarily generated by the hyena's own cells. Instead, the scent glands host a vibrant, complex community of symbiotic bacteria. These microbes are the true chemists. Different bacterial communities produce different volatile fatty acids and other semiochemicals. So a change in the hyena's diet, health, or social status alters its internal chemistry, which in turn alters the microbial ecosystem in its glands. The bacteria then change the scent they produce, effectively ghostwriting an updated status report for the entire social group to read. A single scent mark is a message, but hundreds of them, strategically placed, create something far more complex: a map. Hyenas don't paste randomly. They meticulously mark the boundaries of their territory, creating a chemical fence. They paste along frequently used pathways, turning them into informational highways. They overmark the scent posts of rival clans, effectively engaging in a form of chemical warfare or graffiti. This collective, clan-wide effort produces a shared cognitive map of their social and physical landscape, visible only through smell. Each member can read this map to understand recent border skirmishes, the presence of intruders, or the movements of their own clan members. Human communication is often instantaneous. A text message arrives the moment it's sent. But a hyena's scent message has a fourth dimension: time. The volatile chemicals that make up the scent begin to break down the moment they are deposited. This process of decay is not a flaw, it's a feature. A fresh, pungent mark means a hyena is nearby, right now. A faded, weaker scent is historical data, indicating a clan member passed through hours or even days ago. By analyzing the state of decay, a hyena can reconstruct a timeline of events. It's an asynchronous social network, where the age of the post is as important as its content. What kind of brain does it take to process this world of information? Reading a scent map is an immense cognitive challenge. A hyena must possess a sophisticated olfactory memory, capable of distinguishing between the unique scent signatures of dozens, if not hundreds, of individuals, both friends and foes. They must cross-reference this identity with the location of the mark and its age. Think about it. You see a familiar car in a strange neighborhood. You might wonder what your friend is doing there. A hyena does this constantly, but with scent, reconstructing social narratives from invisible data points scattered across miles of terrain. This suggests their brains are wired to think spatially about their social world in a way we can barely comprehend.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.